Welcome back to MVP Auto Drive. What's good, fam? Today we're talking pure luxury mixed with serious power, the 2026 Land Rover Range Rover. This thing isn't just an SUV, it's a straight-up status symbol on wheels. The 2026 Range Rover keeps that clean, boss-level design with smooth lines, a floating roof, and that wide confident stance. Up front, you've got the signature grille with sleek LED headlights that look sharp day or night. The body feels minimal but expensive, like Land Rover is saying, we don't need to try hard to flex. Under the hood, Land Rover is offering multiple engine options. You get a turbocharged inline-6 mild hybrid, a plug-in hybrid for better fuel efficiency, and a fire-breathing V8 for those who want all the smoke. Power ranges roughly from around 395 horsepower in the hybrid setup to over 520 horsepower in the V8. So yeah, this SUV can move when you step on it. 0 to 60 comes in just over 4 seconds with the V8, which is crazy for something this big. Inside, this is where the Range Rover really goes crazy. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a car. Premium leather seats, real wood and metal trims, and insane attention to detail everywhere you look. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and massaging, and the rear seats feel first class, especially in the long wheelbase version. There's massive legroom, ambient lighting, and even rear seat entertainment screens if you want to chill while someone else drives. Tech-wise, it's fully loaded. You get a large curved touchscreen with the latest Pivi Pro infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital driver display, and a head-up display. The Meridian Premium sound system hits hard, perfect for road trips or late-night city drives. You've also got advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, and hands-free highway driving in supported areas. Off-road, don't sleep on it. This is still a Range Rover. The adjustable air suspension, terrain response system, all-wheel drive, and insane ground clearance mean it can handle mud, sand, snow, and rocks like a champ. You can roll up to a 5-star hotel or hit rough trails without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk money. The 2026 Land Rover Range Rover starts at around $108,000 USD for the base model. Mid-trims with more luxury and hybrid power land around $120,000 to $135,000 USD, and if you go full savage with the V8 and top trims, you're easily looking at $160,000 plus USD depending on options. So yeah, the 2026 Range Rover is built for people who want luxury, power, tech, and off-road credibility all in one ride. It's smooth, it's bold, and it definitely turns heads wherever it goes. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to MVP Auto Drive, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future reviews. Drop a comment and tell me, would you take the hybrid, the V8, or is this SUV out of your budget? Catch you in the next one. Peace.